In this video, we're going to discuss the FEMA certification assignment for this course. I'm here in your syllabus on page 5, where it talks about the certificate assignment. These courses are designed by FEMA to give a good introduction of the National Incident Management System and the Incident Command System. These are two vital concepts to this course and to your career in public safety. If you've never done these courses through FEMA, it's important to first register for a student identification number. FEMA creates these identification numbers so that they don't have to use your social security number when identifying your account for training. So if we click on the link here, it's going to take us to the website to get a FEMA ID number. So that's your first step. Here on the website, you're going to click Register for FEMA SID. If you think you've done these courses or you think you have a FEMA identification number, you can follow one of the other links to log in or to access your FEMA ID number. If you're new, click Register. Fill out the required fields and you'll get an email confirmation with your ID number. Make sure you save the information because it's going to be useful to complete the assignment as well as through the rest of your career. So once we fill out that information and get our ID number, we're going to go back to the syllabus to the two courses. I've put the links here that will take you directly to each course. So let's use 700 as an example. So we'll click this link to take us to the course. Here on the course website, I'm going to scroll down and it's got some information about the class. You're going to click Interactive Web-Based Course and it will open in a new window an interactive course for you to take. The course takes about 2 hours if you're going through all the material. When you're finished reading through all the material and watching the videos, you're going to scroll down here to take the final exam. Click the link, Take Final Exam, and input your information. This is where you're going to need that ID number we just registered for. Once you pass the exam, you'll get an email that has a very long link. That link is a PDF of your certificate. The certificate is what you need to download and then turn in for your assignment. You can upload the certificate in the Assignments tab on our Canvas page. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a message through the Canvas page. Do not wait until the day before these are due to work on this assignment. The courses take some time and it might take more than one day to get your certificates in an email. So make sure you give yourself 3 to 5 days before the deadline so that you get your certificate on time.